Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Banner Radar. Today we're checking out our new microphone setup. Just another microphone setup. And this time I used a much smaller, foamy, spongy kind of thing here surrounding the microphone to cover it from the wind. However, today is a lot of wind noise or a lot of wind, so I think it might be very difficult. Might be a very difficult task because it might be still noise audible. Anyways, I also changed from the regular view to SuperView because apparently it is super wide angle and I want to see what the difference is, if it looks better on a motorcycle or not. And we'll see about that. So, but first of all, we have perfect windy conditions to check out the microphone and what it sounds like. If there's any annoying wind noise. I mean, there will be wind noise, I noticed already, probably in all of the videos, and I guess that's good because that you hear also the engine and stuff like that. But if the wind noise is annoying, like a deep grumbling sound, then it's kind of annoying and you will not continue to watch it, you know, the video. So hopefully there will be not this deep sound, deep grumble. And we can finally make this a permanent installation, this microphone from iPhone, you know, so we can finally get on with our vlogs without having to wonder if the sound is going to be good or bad, you know what I mean. So let's all film this in HyperView, no, in SuperView. So again, it's very windy today. And of course these are almost normal conditions here in the south of Spain. But today is again very windy, and I hate to, like, when it's so windy like this, I really hate to go on the autovia or so because it's so windy. And it will blow you off and out of your socks. Oh, actually, let's go down to Fuengirola and see where this new restaurant is. Have a quick look and then go back home. Yeah, that's what we will do. Let's check out the new Chinese all-you-can-eat buffet. I like all-you-can-eat buffet, but only if it's cheap and I've got good food. So, you know, these two don't go along very well usually. We should decide where to go, this T-Max ride or whatever it was. Let's go into the marina there and see, check out the Chinese. So it should be there in the corner. Actually. There. Oh, we can go this way. There it is. SuperView Restaurante. Buffet libre. Just have a quick stop here. There's another restaurant with a nice view. Ooh, nice. Nice. So, 11 euro, huh? For lunch it's 9. Okay. We should go here someday.